is a type of freshwater fish that belongs to the family Cyprinidae, and they are characterized by their scale-covered bodies and distinctive barbels or whisker-like projections. They are often found in lakes, rivers, and ponds. Carp have been introduced to many regions beyond their native habitats, both intentionally for food and recreational fishing as well as unintentionally, sometimes leading to ecological issues when they outcompete native species. For the external part, when observing the carp, you will notice its elongated body typical of many fish species. The anterior region, posterior, dorsal, ventral region are the positioning of the fish. First, open and close the fish's mouth to observe the actions of the mandible and maxilla. Place a probe in the fish's mouth and gently push it through the operculum. The mouth serves as a vital organ for feeding and respiration. It is equipped with various structures such as the lips, teeth, and barbels. The eyes are positioned on either side of the head, and it allows the carp to perceive objects, movement, and light. Each eye has a spherical shape with a transparent cornea covering the outer surface. The body is encased in scales, which provide protection from predators and reduce friction as the fish moves through the water. Scales are external structures that cover the fish's body, providing protection against predators and environmental elements. These scales are typically thin overlapping plates made of a hard mineralized substance called dentin. The anal fin is found along with dorsal fin, and its main purpose is to stabilize the fish and keep it growing in the water. The pelvic fins are paired of fins located on the ventral or belly side of the fish, usually below and slightly behind the pectoral fins. They aid in stability, steering, and sometimes even in holding objects or gripping surfaces. The pectoral fins are the paired fins located on each side of a fish just behind the gills. They are primarily used for steering, braking, and maneuvering, as they play a crucial role in the fish's movement and balance. The caudal fin, often referred to as the tail fin, is located at the end of the fish's body, and it is responsible for propulsion, generating thrust to propel the fish forward through the water. The shape and size of the caudal fin vary greatly among different fish species and are often adapted to their specific swimming habits and environments. The respiratory system. Fish have a unique respiratory system adapted for extracting oxygen from water. Instead of lungs, they use gills to extract dissolved oxygen from the water. Gills are highly vascularized structures that allow for efficient gas exchange. Water flows over the gills and oxygen diffuses into the bloodstream while carbon dioxide diffuses out. Gills are specialized organs that fish use for respiration. They are located on either side of the fish's head behind the operculum. Gills consist of thin filaments arranged in stacks called gill arches, and each filament contains numerous small blood vessels where gas exchange occurs. The operculum refers to a bony flap covering and protecting the gills. The operculum in carp tends to be relatively large compared to some other fish species, reflecting their need for efficient respiration in various aquatic environments. The digestive system in fish is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that can be absorbed and utilized by the body. It typically consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, liver, and pancreas. The mouth is the opening through which they ingest food and water, and it is located on the other side of the head. For the pharynx and esophagus, the pharynx serves to initially process food before it is directed towards the esophagus, while the esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food from the pharynx to the stomach. Carp stomachs are adapted to handle a diverse diet, which may include plant matter, insects, small crustaceans, and other small organisms. The stomach typically secretes digestive enzymes and acids to break down food into smaller particles for absorption in the intestine. Intestine is where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. It follows the stomach and it is divided into sections such as the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. It absorbs nutrients, water, and electrolytes from food while eliminating waste. The liver detoxifies the body by filtering toxins and harmful substances from the bloodstream. Additionally, it stores essential nutrients such as glycogen, vitamins, and minerals, releasing them when needed to maintain energy levels. The liver's production of bile acids in the digestion and absorption of fats is in the intestine. Pancreas. It produces enzymes that aid in digestion of the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the intestine. It also secretes hormones such as insulin and glucagon, which regulate blood sugar levels and metabolism, ensuring the fish's energy balance and overall health. The anus serves as the endpoint of the digestive tract, where undigested food and waste products are expelled from the body. The anus aids in regulating the fish's internal environment by controlling the elimination of excess water and maintaining osmotic balance. As for the circulatory system, the heart of fish consists of chambers including the atria and ventricles that works together to ensure efficient blood circulation. The heart of a carp is a muscular organ that pumps blood through its body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs while removing the waste products. For the reproductive organs in male carps consist of paired testes, which are responsible for producing sperm cells and are usually located in the abdominal cavity near the kidneys. During the spawning season, the testes undergo physiological changes, increasing in size and becoming filled with mature sperm. The reproductive organ in female carps is the ovary. The ovaries are paired organs responsible for producing eggs or ova. These eggs develop and mature within the ovaries until they are released during the spawning season. The excretory system in carps, like in most vertebrates, is responsible for removing waste products and regulating water and electrolyte balance in the body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining internal homeostasis and ensuring the overall health and functioning of the fish. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products from the blood, including ammonia and urea, and regulating the balance of water and electrolytes in the body. The kidneys also help maintain osmotic balance, which is crucial for the fish to survive in various aquatic environments.